Hey everybody, it's David Chuckman. I'm at LG Motorsports in Anna, Texas. We are doing some window tinting today, and we're also going to show you some really cool stuff that they do here on Supras and Corvettes. Come check it out. I have Sergio here. He's the owner of LG Motorsports. He's going to tell us a little bit about what they do.
We're a speed shop. We're centered around Corvettes. We can do anything from headers and tunes all the way to a full road race build, all the way to a 2,000 horsepower straight line car. So anything you need for a Corvette, give us a call.
Thanks for watching. We just completed this window tint job at LG. We installed XPEL Vision DN15. That's going to block 81% of the heat and 99% of the harmful UV rays. Also, if you want to get your Corvette tuned, if you want to get some parts, call LG. They'll take care of you. And for your window tinting needs, give us a call. Talk to you soon.